Artwork number. Title of work: Innocent Times. Work's introduction. This painting captures an adorable Chow Chow puppy lazily lying on a wooden floor, with the corners of its mouth curled into a slight smile, radiating a sense of contentment and happiness. Next to its paw, there is a small pink bone toy, symbolizing innocence, joy, and simple happiness. The background, with its warm wooden floor texture and soft, delicate colors, creates a serene and secure atmosphere, allowing the entire piece to exude a delightful, comforting feeling. The puppy's pure innocence and playful nature make it impossible not to want to interact with it, evoking a sense of carefree joy that brings out the most cherished, happy moments in everyone's heart.